Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tammy, as you all know, but you can call me Chef T. Today, I will be showing you guys my Efo Riro recipe. Efo Riro is also known as vegetable or spinach soup. There are different ways of making Efo Riro. Some people use spinach, some people use ugu, which is the local Nigerian spinach. Some people use Efo tete. I don't know the English name of that, but I'll go find out. So there are different ways, and we have the Igbo style, we have the Yoruba style. However you want to make your Efo Riro, that's on you. But today, watch how I make my own Efo Riro. And if you like to copy this recipe, feel free to do so. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe now. Do not wait till the end of this video to subscribe. Subscribe, like this video and give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Then comment below what you like about this video, and if you are going to be using this recipe, follow me on all social media, which is at Foodbytem. I'll be showing it on the screen. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you at the end. that is the end of this beautiful video. I hope you enjoyed it. That Efo Riro is fire. You can have your Efo Riro with, I think, basically everything. Some people have it with rice, plantains, pounded yam, eba, semolina, ripe plantain, whatever you want to use your vegetable to eat, you are absolutely allowed to do so. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that it can notify you whenever I drop my video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.